Final Cut Woodworking is a business where I do a lot of different kinds of woodworking and also prop making as well. It started out by my grandpa a long time ago. He kind of gave me the bug, and then it went dormant for a while, and then I bought this house and I love Halloween and it became active again. So it started with Halloween stuff, and then I slowly got into like the actual woodworking stuff. I made cabinets, furniture, etc., etc. I made a mill, and then I've expanded into doing product lines now as well. It started a long time ago. He had a shop in the back of his yard, in his barn. He did like birdhouses and like little pieces of furniture that I actually still have to this day that I use. But he would allow me in the shop, and I'd be in there playing on the drill press, and I'd be using the scroll saw and stuff like that. So I got a little bit of a taste of woodworking back then. Back at my old job, I actually I worked for a local Metro Park system, and I built them a replica mill, a loose replica mill of what was once there. That one over at where she works actually sits on a pond, where this one, obviously we don't have a pond, so I made it a self-contained unit. So that one is all self-contained. It also, the lights, there's lights in the windows that are connected to a solar cell. So when it gets dark out, the lights actually come on into it. And we decorated for Christmas, for Halloween, et cetera, et cetera. But it's been a focal point for the last year. People love it as they drive by. I'm one of those people that I don't say no at the moment for projects when people reach out about stuff. I've done a lot of outdoor related stuff. I've done the mill, obviously. I've done a little free library for a client a couple weeks ago. Just finished up with some custom planners. And when I do stuff, I don't typically do your square planner boxes. I do extra with them, little added value for the clients. I've done butterfly houses. I do a lot of wildlife related stuff because my background is natural resources and wildlife management. So I try to incorporate that into my business. But I also do a lot of interior stuff. I just finished up 2 months ago a kitchen island, so a big kitchen island. I built the whole thing, drawers, shelves, cabinets, all of it. And then I also do pieces of furniture like dressers, bed frames, you name it, I've probably done it. It's exciting to see the client's reaction and how excited they are, because a lot of times they have an image in their head of what they're wanting, and then you present the actual physical thing to them, and their just minds are blown with, because you send them a model, but the model only does so much, and then when you see it in person, it's obviously completely different. It has been an incredible blessing. I've had a lot of support. For years, people were telling me that I should start my own business to do it full time, because for a long time I've been taking client work and I've been doing side projects for people, but I didn't make it full time until actually last June, I think it was, and I've been rolling out projects every week for people. I'm incredibly thankful for everybody and their support, and yeah, I mean, it's great to get up, make a pot of coffee, and to literally walk into my workplace, through one door, and I'm at work.